that begin to bloom. And until the freeze 2 nights ago, this was looking pretty healthy. This is creosote bush. So I'm not sure that it smells like creosote, but when it burns with a real smoky, thick smoke, and that does smell like creosote. This is not the petroleum product that you put on railroad ties.
Oh gosh, yes.
Yeah, secret.
Thank you.
Got a friend visiting.
Limberbush.
There's no.
This is the one, no leaves, 11 months of the year.
Also is harmless, so it's got
Harmless.
no spines or anything.
Oh,
You can nests.
brittle bush.
Because we keep seeing bird's nests in Palo Verde plants.
Palo Verde,
Yeah.
pencil cholla. Creosote is acidic, smells fantastic, and has space around the roots because they like base soil, not acid. Bah.
That's
Fairy duster.
Fairy duster.